There you are. I think these are vultures. I researched a little bit. These guys came in last night. There was about 6 of them. Now there's 2. There they are. You can see them. I think they're vultures. I thought they were falcons, but their wingspan is too wide to be falcons. And I don't think they're owls because their heads are tiny. I just wish they would fly for me and I could be able to get that on camera. Maybe this evening they'll fly. But last night I couldn't get them on camera. The lighting was a little too dark. But I think these might just be vultures. I'm not sure. I wish I had a better zoom on this camera. Maybe I can get them to move if I get close enough. I make them nervous. That one's grooming himself. What is that noise? I think that there might be a bird in the neighboring tree that doesn't like these guys here. Yeah. Where are you? He's making that sound like, get out of my neighborhood. This is my neighborhood. Let's see how these guys respond. They don't seem to care. I don't think I've ever heard that sound come out of that kind of a bird before. Crow. I think that's a warning. I wonder if he's gonna fly over there and try and scare him away. Ooh, 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 ooh. They're getting agitated by that bird. Wingspan. Look at the wingspan on those birds. I wonder if they'll fly away. If I stay here long enough, I might make them nervous and get them on camera flying away. I hope you guys can hear me. I need to step up here and step on this mound of dead branches in my backyard. But I was researching online, and vultures like to hang around in dead trees, and they like to come to different neighborhoods that have had a mild winter. We've had a mild winter until about the end, till about April, and then all of a sudden we get all this snow. And they could just be migrating, you know, taking a little pit stop here and then going off to the south. From what I researched, anyway. Yep, I can hear that crow. I'm not happy about that. Not happy about these guys. Oops, gotta hold still. Hold the camera still. So you can see for yourselves. Yeah, they're like, what do you want, Mr. Crow? We're just sitting here minding our own business. They don't have the big old head of a vulture. Wow, did I lose them? Where did I go? Where'd they go? Oh, there they are. They have tiny little heads though. I was wondering if they're falcons. But they've got huge shoulders. Maybe they're baby falcons. And Mom and Daddy, they're waiting for Mom and Daddy. But they're huge. I mean, they could be baby vultures, I mean. Anyways, come on guys, I want to see you guys fly. Fly, fly. Fly away. I think that crow is scared of you guys. He flew further away from you, but he's still making a racket. Well, that crow decided to go to a different tree further away. See if I can get him on top. There he is over there. But you know, I've heard that birds have awesome eyesight. So these guys are eyeballing each other. Where'd you guys go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Follow the tree branch. There you are. So yep, I think these guys are eyeballing each other. But they're so content sitting there pretty in the tree. If only I could get them in flight. Maybe tonight. And with that, I will send you guys on your way. I'll see you tonight. And the crow says bye. Bye-bye.